राजस्थानात वसुंधरा राजे सरकारान काढिल्ल्या वादग्रस्त अध्यादेशाचो काँग्रेसीन गोंयांतूय इश्यू केला.
Knowing the nature of leadership, BJP leadership we have in Goa, a chief minister who had daring, nobody in the country had dared to cancel 2nd October holiday. Nobody dared to cancel Good Friday holiday. For them, this is nothing. The nature of BJP is very arrogant by itself, and they are capable of doing anything.
पंचायत कायदो खंय आसा म्हूण आसा, पंचायतींक अजून निर्णय घेवपाची तांक ना.
If powers are to be delegated, those are not statutorily mentioned in the Panchayat Raj Act. Those have to be given. Panchayats, there must be training camp organized by the government to the panchayat members and secretaries, and they should be explained as to which are the powers which they already have, which are the powers the government proposes to give, and that too with financial allocation.
गोंयांत पक्षांतरां नवीनी. फाल्यां गोवा फॉरवर्डांतले काँग्रेसीन येवंक शकतात म्हूण शांतारामाची गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या काँग्रेस फोडो मोहिमेचेर जाप.
Some members from here and there are bound to join. There is nothing, and eventually after some days you will find that people have left Goa forward also to join Congress. So that also activity is bound to happen. We don't have to bother. And incidentally, I would like to tell that I have read several statements that they are going to expand their activities in the constituencies held by Congress. They are welcome. Every political party has got a right, but we are strong enough in our constituency, and we will do our work.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष खुटवळकार.